Iskayuba Remix. You know I'm gonna get.
Good day, students. Welcome to the discussion of Lesson 3, which is the topic is the operations of functions. Okay, so the topic of our discussion is the operations of functions. The objectives of our discussion: number 1, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of functions. Number 2, function composition. Okay, before we discuss about personal function, let us have first a review on algebraic expressions. Okay, let us have an example. Find the sum of 1 over x minus 3 and 2 over x minus 5. So take note sum, so meaning you add the two expression. Okay, so 1 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x minus 5. Okay, since the given rational expression is two ratios, given are two ratios. Okay, so by in this case you can apply the cross multiplication and also multiply all the denominator. So therefore, so 1 times x minus 5, then plus 2 times x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x minus 5. Okay, by the way class, this solution is applicable if the given are two ratios. If more than 2, that is not applicable. Okay, so we distribute this 1 and 2 to inside this quantity, so it becomes x minus 5 plus 2x minus 6, then all over x minus 3 times x minus 5. Okay, this is the continuation. Okay, then after that you combine like terms. The x and the 2x are like terms, so you can combine the two, then so it becomes 3x, and also combine negative 5 and negative 6, it becomes negative 11. Then copy the denominator of x minus 3 times x minus 5. Review problem number 2. Find the product of x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 and x squared minus 5x plus 6 over x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, all you have to do, or the first step, you have to factor all expressions. Okay, so x squared minus 4x minus 5, so the factor is x plus 1 times x minus 5 all over the factor of x squared minus 3x plus 2, the x minus 2 times x minus 1. Since this is a product, so that is multiplication. Okay, next we factor the second rational expression. So the factor of this are x minus 2 times x minus 3, then the factor of this also x minus 5 times x minus 2. wrong. Yeah, wait. This is not minus 2. That is x positive 2. Okay. So let us now identify, since the operation is multiplication, so we can apply the cancellation. So we can cancel the x minus 5, rather x minus 2 and x minus 2, then x minus 5, then x minus 5. Okay. The remaining expression, the x plus 1 times x minus 3 over x minus 1 times x plus 2, or you can expand both numerator and the denominator. So the final or the answer also x squared minus 2x minus 3 over x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, let us proceed to the review problem number 3. Divide 2x squared plus x minus 6 over 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 by x squared minus 2x minus 8 over 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. Okay, so we rewrite this given into a division form. 2x squared plus x minus 6 over 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 8 over 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. Okay, since this is divide, we apply the rule of the division of fraction. Ang iyang rule, copy the first. Okay, this is the first fraction. First copy the first fraction, x minus 6 over 2x squared plus 7x plus 5. Then change the division sign into multiplication. Then use the reciprocal of the second fraction. So the reciprocal of this second fraction is 2x squared minus 3x minus 20 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. Then after that, you have to factor all the expression. Okay, so we have here the continuation. Okay, the factor of this, the factor of that is 2x minus 3 times x plus 2. Then over the factor of this also, that is 2x plus 5 times x plus 1, then times the factor of this, okay, 3x. Okay, the factor of this, x minus 4 times 2x plus 5, and the factor of this also, x plus 2 times x minus 4. And after that, you find the same elements in the quantity. So we have 2x plus 5, so we can cancel this, and we can cancel also the x plus 2, and we can cancel also x minus 4. So therefore the expression 2x minus 3 over x plus 1. Okay, so we are now to our discussion. Okay, function f and function g be a functions. So since this is operation, so it involves sum, difference, product, and the quotient. Their sum denoted by f plus g, and that is equal to the quantity of f plus g of x, and that is equal to f of x plus g of x. Their difference denoted by f minus g, and that is equal to f of x minus g of x. Their product denoted by f times g, and that is equal f of x times g of x. Their quotient denoted by f over g, and that is equal to f of x divided by g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. Let's have an example. Use the following functions. We have function f, function p, function v, function g, function h, and function t. So determine letter A, determine the sum of v and g. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, the solution of letter A. So since the sum by definition, it becomes b of x plus the g of x. Okay, our v, this is our v. Our v is x squared plus 5x plus 4, then operation is plus, then this is our g, so x squared plus 2x minus 8. Then combine the like terms, so we can combine x squared and x squared. It becomes 2x squared. We combine 5x and 2x, it becomes 7x, and we can combine 4 and negative 8 by law of sign, that is negative 4. So this is our answer in letter A. Okay, next we proceed to the letter B. The letter B, the product of f and p. So by definition, it becomes f of x times the p of x. Okay, solution. Our f, this is our f. Our f is x plus 3. Then we include this of parentheses because this is product. Then times the p, this is our p of x, or p of x, 2x minus 7. Then multiply all terms to the next quantity. So x times 2x, it becomes 2x squared. 2x times negative 7, that is negative 7x. 3 times 2, that is positive 6x. 3 times negative 7, that is negative 21. Combine like terms. So 2x squared, wala siyang like terms, so you can copy 2x squared. Then combine 7x and 6x, so apply the law of sign, that is negative x, then minus 21. Okay, so next, letter C. Our letter C, the difference of P and F. Okay, by its definition, this becomes P of x minus the f of x. Okay, our P, this is our P. Our P is 2x minus 7, then minus, then our f is we enclose the x plus 3 because it is succeeded by negative sign. Okay, so it becomes, so copy muna itong 2x minus 7. Then since this quantity succeeded by negative sign, pag remove mo yan ng parentheses, i-change mo yung mga sign dito. So this is positive. So pag remove the parentheses, it becomes negative x, and this is positive, it becomes also negative 3. Then combine the like terms, so 2x and negative x like terms, so combine and use the law of sign, that is x. Then negative 7 also and negative 3 combine, then use the law of sign, that is negative 10. So this is our answer in letter C, and this is our answer in letter B. Okay, we proceed to the letter D. Our letter D, the quotient of V and G. So by its definition, it becomes V of x over the G of x. Okay, so our V is x squared plus 5x plus 4. Then our G, x squared 2x minus 8. Okay, so if we factor the numerator, then we also factor the denominator. It has no in common, so wala silang the same factor. So therefore, this is now our answer. Okay, next. Okay, let's have another example. Express the function f sub 1 of x equals x squared plus 3 as a sum or difference of the function below. So these are the function f, q, and r. So to answer this problem, we can apply the trial and error. Okay, so let us find which of these three. We get only two of these three. Out of these three, we in the form of sum or indifference to obtain this expression or this function. Okay, so let us try addition. No, let us try f and q. We add f and q. Dapat ang result ay ito. Okay, so let us try. So f of x plus q of x, so equal to our f 2x plus 1 plus our q x squared minus 2x plus 2, and that is equal to combine the like terms. X squared wala siyang like term, so you copy x squared, then combine 2x and negative 2x, then by law of sign that is 0, so you can cancel, then combine 1 and 2, and that is x plus 3. So therefore nakuha natin ito. So meaning the f sub 1 of x is the sum of f of x plus the q of x.